Hello dear students, a warm welcome to the e-learning session of Rasshastra. In previous lecture, we have learned about term Loho and Dhatu, Loho classification, its therapeutic importance, planet relationship, flame test, and most important, Samanya Shodhan and Samanya Maran of Dhatu. Now in today's lecture, we will learn about Swarn Dhatu as per syllabus. Gold is a precious bright yellow metal and a large quantity is used for the manufacture of jewelry, decorative articles and medicines. Its Latin name is aurum and symbol is Au. Its specific gravity is 19.32. So it is a very heavy metal in nature. Hardness of gold is 2.5 to 3. It is readily scratched by a knife. Copper is mixed with it for making it hard and only then it could be used for ornament making purposes. Melting point is 1064 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 1800 degrees Celsius. The purity or fineness of swarn is expressed in carats or parts per thousand. Gold containing 999.9 parts per thousand is termed as 24 karat gold. The 22 karat gold, the standard for gold coin and jewelry, contains 916.6 parts of gold and 83.4 parts of copper in 1000. That means 22 karat gold contains 91.66% gold and 8.34% copper. Gold is very malleable and ductile. 0.00008 mm thin leaves may be prepared using pure gold. It is a good conductor of electricity and is not acted upon by water and atmosphere. Gold is insoluble in most acids but readily soluble in aqua regia. Synonyms. Important synonyms of gold are Dravid, Hiranya, Kalyan, Kanchan, Agnivarn, Manohar, Hem, Bhushan Arha, Agni Bij, Kanak, Kont, Bhrangar, Mangalyak, Jambav, Jambunad, Jatarup, Champeya, Lohoshrest, Rukma, Chamikar and Hatak. History. Description pertaining to gold is available since antiquity. Shri Shukta of Rigved contains description of Suvarna only. In Shatpat Brahman, it is said to be the semen of god Agni. Lord Brahma origin is considered from Suvarna Jarayu. Maharshi Charak, Sushrut and Bhagavad have mentioned gold in the management of many diseases. They used swarn as Rasayan, Vajikaran, Medhya, Ayushya and Vishagnadrapya. There is a beautiful verse in Charak Chikitsa 23, Vish Chikitsa. Hem sarva vishanya ashu garansh viniyachati na sajjate hem pange विषम पद्म दले अम्बुवत कि जिस प्रकार कमल की पंखुड़ी पर जल की बूंद नहीं रुक पाती है, ठीक उसी प्रकार स्वर्ण खाए हुए व्यक्ति पर विष का प्रभाव नहीं होता। Also the reference of कृत्रिम स्वर्ण in Kautilya Arthashastra and Rus texts are also available. Origin and occurrence. Swarn is obtained in native and combined form both. Native gold has been known to contain as much as 99.80% gold, but commonly contains 85 to 95% gold, the balance being usually silver for the most part. The name electrum, Electrum, is applied to natural gold with 20% or more silver. Native gold again occurs in two forms: auriferous quartz veins and alluvial sands or gravels, from which it is separated by special techniques. Main compounds of gold are calaverite AuTe2, sylvanite AuAgTe2, chalcogolite AuAgHgTe2, and with pyrites and sulfides ore. Pyrite is nearly always associated with gold. Gold is available in the countries like South Africa, Russia, America, Brazil, Germany, Britain, etc. In India, the deposits of primary swan occur mainly in Karnataka, in district Hassan, Chitradurga, Mysore, and Kolar, Andhra Pradesh, Chittor district, and Kerala, Kozhikode and Kannur districts. Main producer of Swarna in country today are Hatti Gold Mines Corporation Limited HGML in Raichur district of Karnataka and Hindustan Copper Limited as byproduct. Types: 5 varieties of gold, namely Prakrit, Sahaj, Vanni Sambhut, Khanij, and Rasendra Vedaj are mentioned in ancient texts. Out of these, the first 3 varieties are said to be the divine, having Shodash Varn, and are claimed to be rare. These first 3 are rare variety. Khanij Swarn. Khanij Swarn is that which is obtained from mines. It is of Chaturdash Varn and therapeutically important. Rasvidh ya Rasendra or Rasendra Vedaj Swarn is the variety which is obtained from Ved of Mercury. At present, only Khanij variety of gold is available. Approval features: दाहे रक्तम सितम छेदे. दाहे रक्तम अर्थात आग पर तपाने पर रक्तवर्ण होने वाला, सितम छेदे काटने पर चमकने वाला, निकषे कुंकुम प्रभम कसौटी पर घिसने पर केसर के सदृश वर्ण वाला, गुरु स्निग्ध मृदु स्वच्छ निर्दल अर्थात पत्र रहित रक्तपीत आभा वाला और षोडश वर्ण वाला स्वर्ण देह सिद्धि एवं लोह सिद्धि में प्रशस्त होता है. सेम description is also available in Ayurved Prakash. दाहे अति रक्तमत यत सितम छिदायाम काश्मीर कांति च विभाति निकाश पट्टे. शोधन. There are different views regarding necessity of shodhan in case of swarn. Some scholars says that swarn is a shuddh loh, so there is no need of further shodhan. See the reference of Ras Prakash Sudhakar. Na tu shuddha hemanascha shodhanam karyed vishak anya shamev lohanam shodhanam karyed vishak. But according to Ras Bhagvat, shodhan is mandatory. Otherwise, it will lead to different disorders. Sokhyam viryam balam hanti rogavargam karoti cha ashuddham amritam swarnam tasmat shuddham cha marayet. First, Samanya Shodhan. Samanya Shodhan of Swarn is done by following same method as we discussed in Dhatu introduction lecture. That is by quenching red hot thin Swarn Patra into till oil, buttermilk, cow urine, kanji, and decoction of kulat. Quench the same patra in one media for 7 times and change media after each quenching. Vishesh Shodhan. It is performed with the help of Panchmritika. Valmeek Mritikah Dhumam Garikam Cha Ishtika Patu Itieta Mritikah. Valmeek Mritika, Greh Dhum, Suvarn Garik, Ishtika Churn, and Sendhavlan. These are the 5 components of Panchmritika. Ityeta Mritikah Panch Jambirer Aranalakeh Pishtva Lepyam Swarnpatram Puten tu Vishuddhyati Dharyet Swarnpatribhi Tridinam Panch Mritika. First, prepare a paste of Panchmritika by adding Jambiri Nimbu Swaras and Kanji. Apply this paste on Swarnpatra. Now leave it for 3 days. And after 3 days, apply Laghuput after proper Sharav Samput. So this is the Vishesh Shodhan of Swarn done with the help of Panchmritika. Maran of Swarn. Out of several methods, I choose this one. Reference Ras Tarangani, 15th chapter, 49 to 52 words. In this method, both mercury and sulfur compounds are used. First, take Shuddha Suvarn and Shuddha Parad, 1 part each, in a kharal, and then do Vikras Mardan. Now add Nimbu Swaras. Mardan is continued. After proper Mardan, wash it properly with water. Then add Shuddha Hingul, Shuddha Gandhak, Shuddha Manahashila and Shuddha Navsadar, each in 1 part, that is equal to Shuddha Swarn and Shuddha Parad. Then again Mardan is done. Bhavna of Bijora Nimbu Swaras is given, and after proper Mardan, it is dried in sunlight and then subjected to Laghuput. 10 to 15 Laghuputs are required to prepare Swarn Bhasma. Color of Swarn Bhasma is Champak Varna, that is Peeth Kesar. Swarn is noble metal, so it doesn't get converted into any compound. Swarn Bhasma contains 96.76% gold in it. Pharmacological properties. Ras, Madhur, Kashay, Tikt, Gun, Sheet, Guru, Snikt, Virya, Sheet, Vipak, Madhur, Karm, Vrandan, Brashya, Balya, Rasayan, Medhya, Netriya, Ayushya, Kantikar, वाग विशुद्धिकर अर्थात वाणी की शुद्धता करने वाला, विषग्न, रुच्य, ओजोवर्धक एंड पापक. इफेक्ट ऑन दोषा, त्रिदोष. मृतम सुवर्णम मधुरश्च वृश्यम हृदयश्च नेत्रियम परमश्च मेध्यम. रसायनम पुंसवन उपयोगी विषापहम कांतिकरश्च शस्तम. It is a beautiful verse of Rasratna Samuchaya compiling all therapeutic indications of Swarn Bhasma. So you can learn this. Anupan of Swarn Bhasma is Trikatu Churn and Ghrat. And one apatya that is mentioned in text is Bilfal. That Bilfal should not be consumed while taking Swarn Bhasma. Dose of Swarn Bhasma is 15 to 30 mg. According to Rasratna Samuchaya, it is 2 Ratti, but Ras Tarangani has mentioned 1/8 Ratti to 1/4 Ratti dose of Swarn Bhasma. This table shows different indication of Swarn Bhasma with different anupa. That is Swarn Bhasma with Dugdh is indicated as in Rajyakshma. It also works as Balle and Vishagna. Swarna Bhasma with Punarnava is Netriya. Swarna Bhasma with Vacha is Smriti Vardhak. Swarna Bhasma with Kumkum is Kanti Vardhak. Swarna may be used in different forms. First, Bhasma form, which we have discussed already. घृष्ट स्वर्ण, सोने को घिसकर प्रयोग करना. इन वर्क फॉर्म, वर्क या तवक, जो सोने के पतले पत्र आते हैं. इट इज मोस्ट पॉपुलर इन यूनानी सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन. एंड फोर्थ इज स्वर्ण लवण. स्वर्ण लवण इज, यू कैन से केमिकली इट इज गोल्ड क्लोराइड. हाउ टू प्रिपेयर स्वर्ण लवण? टेक 3 parts of शुद्ध स्वर्ण in a glass crucible. Place it on a tripod stand and apply heat with the help of a spirit lamp. Now add aqua regia drop by drop. As we all know that swarn is only soluble in aqua regia. So if we want to dissolve gold, we have to use aqua regia. On complete dissolution, 10 parts of Sandhav Lavan is added. Heat is continued till evaporation of whole aqueous content. जब आप उसमें सैंधव लवण डालेंगे तो वो अपना पानी छोड़ेगा. आपको तब तक हीट देनी है जब तक कि पूरा जलीयांश उड़ ना जाए और हमारे पास ऑरेंज येलो कलर का स्वर्ण लवण प्राप्त हो जाए. Dose of Swarna Lavan is 1/50 to 1/20 Rati. Actually, Swarna Lavan is soluble in water. Gold chloride is a compound of gold that is soluble in water. So, to adjust its dose, 1 Rati of Swarna Lavan is added in 2.5 tole of distilled water. And then 10 to 12 drops are administered as per disease. Therapeutic indications of Swarna Lavan. It is Madhur, Kashay and Tiktras, soluble in water. It is Vrashya, Tridosh Nashak, Rajah, Avrodh Nashak. मधुमेह, विरंग, भ्रम, मूर्छा, आक्षेप, अपस्मार, उन्माद. In this nervine disorders, आक्षेप, अपस्मार and उन्माद, we use स्वर्ण लवण. And श्वास and नपुंसकता. Formulations of स्वर्ण भस्म. There are many formulations containing स्वर्ण भस्म. Main are मकरध्वज, सिद्ध मकरध्वज, जय मंगल रस, योगेंद्र रस, वसंत मालती, बृहत चिंतामणि रस and सूद शेखर रस. This is all about Swarn. In next lecture, we will discuss about Rajat. Thank you.